You are listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Today is Thursday, June 18th, 2026, and we are coming to you live, following the close of the trading session, where Wall Street has staged a solid recovery. Markets opened firmly higher this morning, building on a historic overnight session in Asia. Japan's Nikkei index surged 1.8% to close at an all-time high of over 71,000. However, we saw some divergence as Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index finished down 0.8%. Here in New York, buyers have clearly taken control, reclaiming ground lost during yesterday's post-Federal Reserve sell-off. The S&P 500 closed up nearly 1% at 7,493.89. The tech-heavy Nasdaq led the charge, up 1.44% to 26,396.13. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained about 0.25% to 51,628.83. This price action reflects a classic risk-on rotation, with technology and semiconductors driving the market while value names lag. The primary catalyst for today's rally is a massive geopolitical breakthrough. President Trump and Iranian President Pezeshkian signed an interim peace deal, reopening the Strait of Hormuz and lifting temporary sanctions. This sent oil prices lower, with the United States Oil Fund dropping 1.29%. This sudden de-escalation of geopolitical risk has completely overshadowed yesterday's hawkish tone from the Federal Reserve, which held rates steady at 3.5 to 3.75%. In corporate news, semiconductors are absolutely exploding. Marvell Technology led the pack, surging 12.5% on news of upcoming index inclusion. Astera Labs was also up over 10%, riding the wave of artificial intelligence connectivity demand. Even Intel gained over 9% on reports of a manufacturing deal with Apple. Among megacaps, Nvidia was up 2.69%, and Amazon rose 2.56%. On the downside, Cognizant fell nearly 10% after a sector downgrade and news of its upcoming Nasdaq 100 removal. SpaceX also slipped, dropping more than 6% today. Looking ahead, keep an eye on whether the S&P 500 can break through key near-term resistance levels near 7,520. Because markets are closed tomorrow for the Juneteenth holiday, today's close is particularly critical, setting the tone for the long holiday weekend. That's your market check from Seven Horns AI. Stay sharp, and we will catch you next time.